You want me to join the heist?
Excuse me.
Did the Minutemen send you?
Yes, I'm here to help. What's going on?
There's a group of raiders that won't leave us alone. Stealing our food and supplies.
Oh.
Threatening us if we can't give them what they want. We know where they're coming from, but we can't stand up to them ourselves.
Don't worry. I'll take care of those raiders for you.
I hope so. We didn't know what to do.
The alien ship! I found the alien ship! What the fuck? Do I have to follow that blood? Oh, there it is. Oh, there. He's in the cave. There's an alien in this cave. What? Yo, you fucker.
If anyone could find a use for that.
Alien blaster
Hell yeah.
pistol. And 461 alien blaster rounds.